In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Microsoft Office couldn't install error. What you want to do first is head over to config.office.com/deployment settings. On this website, you want to fill in all of the information, so select the one that is for you. Once you've selected all of this, next, all of these, you want to export and it will give you this file. Then what you want to do is you want to go to this website, just Google Office Deployment Tool, come in here and you want to download the deployment tool. Then what I want you to do is make just a folder on your desktop, can be anything, I'll just call this one 4. And then what you want to do is you want to put these 2 files into that folder. Open up the folder, and what you should do from in here is you want to right click and make a new folder called Office 2021 with capital O. Now once you've done this, what you should do is you should run the deployment tool as an admin. So let me just do that real quick. Once you have it opened, you want to check here, continue, and then you want to select the Office 2021 folder. So like that, and press OK. Now, once you've done that, you want to take your configuration file and you want to right click, press cut, open up this one, right click and paste. Once you've done this, what you want to do is you want to copy this folder, Office 2021 folder. We want to copy this to our C drive. So come here and right click, copy, and then you want to head to your C drive where Windows is installed and you want to just put it here. So right click and paste. Now that this is right here, what you want to do is we want to open up this one, find configuration, right click and rename, make it a small c instead of a capital one. Once we've done this, we can just stop now, and then you want to run cmd, search for cmd, right click and run as an administrator. Once you've done this, this one should pop up, and then what you want to do is you want to type cd space c colon back this one backwards, and then once you've made this, you want to type in Office space 2021, just like this. Press enter, and now that you're in this, what you want to do is you want to type setup space /configure configuration.xml, this file right here. Now when you press enter, this is gonna fix your Office and then it will start downloading. So that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.